Hi everyone, Kristen here with Cora Sue's Cozy Castle. I'm back for an ultimate clean with me for my car. So you'll see at the beginning, you can see what wash I'm choosing from as I go through the car wash. I do not like to try to wash my car by hand. One is I'm way too short because I have a full-size SUV, and I just think for the cost of how many times I go that it's just easier to take it through a wash. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I will vacuum it here as well because the vacuums are free. And then I will head home to where I like to do some more detailed work, and that is cleaning the windows, wiping down the rims, respraying some more tire shine on there, and just using some protectant for the dashboards and the sides of the doors. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below if there's anything you would like to see. And I am very thankful for my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your support. And I hope you guys either got a laugh out of this video of anything funny that you see, or that it made you feel less lonely for the day, because that's what this channel is about. And I hope you guys have a blessed one, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Much love, Kristen. And here's the finished product. It makes me just want to go drive somewhere. I love it when the car is fresh and clean and shiny, and it just really brings a smile to my face because, well, I am a bit vehicularly challenged, as I don't even want to say what number car this is for me, but I like cars. I'm weird like that. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video to see a little bit of how I like to clean my car. I also do the seats sometimes and do a leather protectant, but I did not do that this time. And here's sweet Cora Sue. She had to jump up and check it out. And there's little Jensen. We just got back from picking up the older boys from school, so that's why he is in his seat. I'm about to get him and feed him for the day. So again, I hope you guys have a blessed one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. You guys are awesome. And I hope that you like this video, and please comment down below on anything else you would like to see. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.